is a most of a conference kind of a business hotel. So you'll find a lot of conference rooms or even spaces. So things like pool and fitness center are not that of focus or any sort of activity.
Boss ass bitch. Boss bitch.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm so excited to take you guys for a staycation that I have been awaiting for. So the Hilton hotel was on my list for quite a few days and I wanted to check it out. So I am here at the Hilton. I'm going to experience one day here. So I thought I should show you guys the room and everything. So as a review, I feel like the room is quite spacious. We are living on the 9th floor. It is a much bigger room because it is a refuge area, first thing. Second thing, the bathrooms are so spacious. Hey guys, welcome to my room. Okay, so I'm going to close my room. So we are at the Hilton. So I'm going to show you guys my room. We have a connecting room, but we've taken this side. Mama and Daddy are seeing that side. And so this is a two-bed, single bed. One for me, one for Bhaiya. And we have a TV. And this is the business meeting table where we can sit and work. And this is our view. Wait, I have to show you guys. Beautiful Manyata Tech Park. I really love the Manyata Tech Park, so I'm so excited to stay here. And look at the view, I just love it. So I love this, and yeah, I hope you guys like the room. If you guys want to see more, there's nothing much, so it's quite spacious for two people to live at, and the bathrooms are really nice. I already checked out the bathrooms, because I wanted to go to the washroom, I had to close the the shield, and so basically, so you guys can see that they have a shower cubicle which is separate, and this is the toilet cubicle which is also separate. So basically we are living at the 9th floor, and yeah, this is about it. So we have a lot of room space. Like, I really like the cupboards also. Oh god. Yeah.
Like that you show.
So the Manyata Tech Park is right below. So as you can see, you guys can get to know because the Embassy building is right in front of us. That side is the Hilton, this one. I'm so excited to be staying here and I love it.
It could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive. It will be a waste cause we could be expensive.
Hi. So this is Bhaiya's.
Go check your room.
Yeah, I'll go check one. Your view is at least better.
Body move your body, make you move body, move your body, take you.
You're running through my mind with a shotgun. I'm running out of time, but I'm not done. Yeah, I don't need to run, it will come to me. I fight, but I keep moving, keep moving. Even what I lose, yeah, I keep moving. Put them on my shoes, yeah, I keep moving. There's no room to refuse. Don't you mess with us, we're not afraid. Look at us, no, there is nothing to discuss. I'm not okay, but I'll get up. I know the way, no, I won't stop. I know the scheme, I won't give up. It takes some time to reach the top.
This
It's like
reminds
a
me of
break, here
Manyata.
comes the drop.
But you
Don't be obsessive, it could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive, it will be a waste, cause we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life, you need a little me in your life. I wanna see the sea in your eyes, you need to be free.
Move, move, body, move, move your body till you move, move, body, move, move your body till you.
Come on, come here, come a little closer. Don't be afraid, no, I don't wanna hurt you. Little more, come near, let me just show you. Don't know, can't talk, let me just show you. Don't be obsessive, it could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive, it will be a waste, cause we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life, you need a little me in your life. I wanna see the sea in your eyes, you need to be free. Eh.
Chef, what's special today? Okay. Okay. Nice.
Move your body till you.
You're running through my mind with a shotgun. I'm running out of time, but I'm not done. Yeah, I don't need to run, it will come to me. I don't need to fight, but I keep moving, keep moving. Even what I lose, yeah, I keep moving. Put on my shoes, yeah, I keep moving. There's no
Are you
room to
happy?
refuse. Don't you mess with us, we're not afraid. Look at us, no, there is nothing to discuss. I'm not okay, but I'll get up. I know the way, no, I won't stop. I know this game, I won't give up. It takes some time to reach the top. Let's take a break, here comes the drop. Don't be obsessive, it could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive, it will be a waste, cause we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life, you need a little me in your life. I wanna see the sea in your eyes, you need to be free.
So right now we're heading to the pool and fitness center. So I'm going to show you guys. I've always come here for these conferences and all. So I'm very well versed with the convection hall of Hilton, but I haven't had access to the pool and fitness center. So today I'll be having access to that, so I'm going to see that. So right now we are going to go to the pool and fitness center and check it out. So that's the only kind of amenities that is there, because this is a most of a conference kind of a business hotel. So you'll find a lot of conference rooms or even spaces. So things like pool and fitness center are not that of focus or any sort of amenities. But let's go.
Don't be obsessive, it could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive, it will be a waste, cause we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life, you need a little me in your life. I wanna see the sea in your eyes. Yeah.
Guys, so my battery is dying, so I don't think I can show much, and I don't have my charger. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Seriously, so beautiful. I've always been liking Manyata Tech Park because it's one tech park that is so different, makes the whole city like a startup. I feel like startup hub. Like I feel like Manyata is a different part of Bangalore. Like it's so beautiful, aesthetically pretty, and everything. It's like very corporate, like very like American culture. Like you can feel the startup hub here, and I do love this place because I did my third year 4th year, as well as my 3rd year project was here because of college. But my 5th year thesis, which I had to choose my college, which I made a business center, I did in Manyata Tech Park. So Hilton plays a very, Manyata Tech Park plays a very deep, big role in my heart, and I love it here. So if you guys like these kind of videos, like, share, subscribe, and on top of that, I'll be making more hotel staycation. If you guys haven't checked out my other staycations, check it out. I'm going to link them below, as well as I'm going to make a playlist of all the hotels I've been in. If you guys are excited to see these kind of videos, let me know, comment down below, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys. Now let me go have fun.